To catch you up on where I'm at with the car, I recently just put JB4 on it, and I did the MHD back end flash, right? Cool. Rewind. I got it from an auction. So when I first bought it, I did have to jump the car off. So the battery was bad, which I kind of knew, which I should have changed it out. But that leads me to this problem I got now. Long story short, I got the coolant reservoir replaced and I got a new battery, but I didn't know you had to register the battery. And I now have a fault code that I think is because of that. So I'm gonna try to register the battery to the car, and I'm not really gonna talk through the whole process because I kind of don't know what I'm doing, so I don't really want to try to teach somebody. But I'm gonna try to do that now, and hopefully I get rid of this code. Alright, so the software I'm gonna be using is IMPA. Like I said, I'm not really gonna talk too much through this. So if this doesn't fix the fault code that I'm having, then this video won't be uploaded until then. Cause I'll have to order the IBS cable. That's the next part I think is faulty. But yeah, hopefully this fixes the problem. Alright, so it's another day. And I got the IBS cables in. So I'm gonna open this up and get it put in and see what happens. So what I'm gonna try to do first is just take this sensor off and put this one on. And then plug it in and see what happens. If that's not the case, then I'm gonna change this out too with that one over there. Alright, finally got the adapter in. So now I can finish putting this IBS sensor on. So now, plug this adapter into the IBS. Plug this in here. Now I can finish installation. Alright, so I'm gonna route it around this way. Make sure that ain't touching. this in. And before I put that on, I'm gonna clean everything else back up. Put all this back together. All right, I got everything back in. It's all underneath the little lining. Now I'm about to reconnect the battery and see what happens. Got the battery reconnected with the new IBS in. And the new water pump. And if this doesn't fix my problem, I give up. All right, so I'm a little nervous because I made a lot of changes to this car since the last time it started. And hopefully I did everything right, so I don't got no like coolant leaks, exhaust leaks, no boost leak, no misfires, nothing. Hopefully it worked. Still says coolant level low. I'm gonna wait till it warms up to put the JB4 map on with the back end flash. It sound good. Now I'm about to clean up and go take it for a spin. I should put the bumper on first. Yeah, I'm gonna put the bumper on first. But I'm gonna clean all this up, take it for a spin.